Oh, heavenly day. All the clouds blew away. Got no trouble today. With anyone. Smile on your face. I live on the sea. It's enough for me, baby. It's enough for me. Oh, heavenly day, heavenly day, heavenly day. Tomorrow may rain with sorrow. Here's a little time we can borrow. Forget all our troubles in these moments so few. Oh, we could right now only think that all that we really have to do is have ourselves a heavenly day. Lay here and watch the trees sway. Oh, can't see no other way. No way, no way. Heavenly day, heavenly day, heavenly day. No one at my shoulder, bringing me fears. Got no clouds up above me, bringing me tears. Got nothing to tell you, I got nothing much to say. Only I'm glad to be here with you on this heavenly, 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 heavenly day. Oh, all the trouble gone away. Oh, for a while anyway, for a while anyway. Heavenly day, heavenly day, heavenly day, heavenly day, heavenly day. Oh, oh, heavenly day.
The dance is called Heavenly Day, choreographed by Alison Johnstone and Joshua Talbot. It's a 32 count, 2-word, intermediate level, rolling 8 count line dance. There's no take, no restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with your left foot, forward with a sweep, cross, quarter turn right, stepping back, side rock, quarter turn left, recover, make another quarter turn left, stepping together, big step to side and drag your right foot, quarter turn left, big step to side and drag your left foot, quarter turn left, big step to side and drag your right foot, cross, side. Next section, back with a sweep, behind, quarter turn right, stepping forward, 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 together, back with a sweep, behind, 1/8 turn right, stepping to side, facing 730. Cross rock, recover, 1/8 turn left, stepping to side, square up to 6 o'clock. 1/8 turn left, stepping forward, facing 430. Next section, step forward, pivot half turn right, step forward. 3/4 turn left, triple step, 3/8 turn left, stepping back, 3/8 turn left, stepping forward, forward. Forward lunge, recover, back and drag your right foot, coaster step. Next section. Forward, 3/4 turn left walk. Quarter walk, quarter walk, quarter walk. 1/8 turn left stepping together. Side rock, recover and side rock. 1 1/4 turn right. Quarter turn right, recover. Half turn right, stepping back. Half turn right, stepping forward. Last step, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Last step. On this dance, the last word is the word 7. You dance only 16 count with a change step. Now let me show you the word 7 with ending. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. You do a recover, 3, 8, turn left, stepping forward, and quarter turn big step to side and drag your left foot. The count here is 7, 8, 1. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.